What do you mean I can't come?
The inspections out there and like to get licenses.
Okay. You can't just block people from getting into your reservation. How? Under what authority?
You gotta fix this.
I have a reservation and drove 4 hours. You know?
There's an issue with the building. You have to wait 30 days.
This is ridiculous.
Go down there,
they can't
turn left, go up to
so
Sussex.
look at my ticket sales.
Maybe the officers there will...
I've been redirected around in a circle now, like...
Somebody tells me, hey...
Walk to my reservation. For what?
It's not gonna open.
I'm gonna get you. DJ, what do you think of it? Is it an awesome castle?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do we think, Grandpa?
It's pretty cool. Pretty nice.
Yes. Beautiful establishment.
And I welcome you to our castle.
Thank you.
Are you having fun, DJ? Yes? Oh yeah, he's a little DJ.
Goons rolled up, buddy. Hey, buddy, how's it going? Hey, good. The goons rolled up here. A bunch of goons.
They just came now?
There's a bunch in there already, but yeah,
I was watching live streams the whole way here.
Fuck, yeah,
I got here like half an hour ago.
We've been here all afternoon. Fucking, they bottlenecked us down here and fucking basically told people to go on the march, and they basically, I think it was like a fucking, there was a transport truck and a camper, like, oh, I don't even know it was any of us. It was just some, like, how did they even let him in there? And like, occupying, and they fucking went nuts. It was fucking bullshit.
Yeah, that's what I was seeing.
Yeah, it was literally set up. The cop. Then they beat up a couple old ladies just to try to antagonize people.
Yeah.
I think it's all. I think they're just fucking trying to
antagonize.
Yeah, I think even the girl was that they threw down first was. I think they're just fucking like they.
Was part of them.
Yeah, buddy. Who knows? They fucking mental warfare on us, buddy.
Oh,
we're gonna stand strong. We gotta get these fucking.
That's it. Stay calm. Stay. Yeah.
Anyways,
guys,
guys,
have a good night.
Take
it easy.
Good, man, good.
Kush. What's up, Good. This guy here. This guy here?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you missed a lot of action.
Watching live.
Yeah.
I'm following you.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Find a spot to park, brother?
Yeah, I did.
Fuckers.
No, I was just right up.
Awesome. Good persistence. Right through there, you had to go around.
Yeah, no, it was the second one after that.
Perfect, yeah.
Yeah, right in.
Good to hear that.
4 stops later.
Where'd you guys come from?
Made it in Oshawa.
Awesome. Sweet. I live east of Port Perry there.
Yeah.
I have a gimbal too, but I couldn't get it to connect to my phone quick enough. So I said screw it and came out anyway. Check it out. What's up, little man?
Hello.
You like it in here?
Yes.
Is it a nice
Yeah.
castle? Oh, yeah.